guys. So apologise for the way my voice is sounding. As said in the last video, I was running a bit of a temp and stuff like that. Ended up going up to the doctors because my temp was on 39.9, and got checked, and turns out I've got a acute lower respiratory infection. So at least on the upside, my voice doesn't really sound that much like a screwed up version of Raymond Barone from Everybody Loves Raymond, as it normally does. But yeah, so thought try and get down here and just pick a lock. Just going to grab a random one here from the couple of challenge locks I've got left. And this one is by Cameron Dunn. And sorry my voice is like this. I've been coughing that much that it's yeah, played around with my voice. This one's called Rough Around the Edges, and you can probably tell I've got a new light. Just been and bought, I'll show you just here, nice long LED one that sits just here. Just don't mind the Smurf piss. So I got the one at the back and that one up there. I was using the one that was on the phone, but users were saying it was leaving glare off the locks and everything, so thought I'd test out this new one. Anyway, this lock works beautifully. Let's have a look at this bitting. Not too bad. So got some high cuts in it, some low cuts. Let's have a look at this keyway. It's pretty. There's a little bit of warding in there. Looks like a slag. Yep, slag. So slag keyway works nice and smooth. So oh well, enough gas bag, and let's try and get this picked. So yeah, I've been coughing my absolute guts up. So much yesterday that I actually blacked out and fell off the couch. But anyway, alright, let's grab a pick. Let's go to this one and that one. Top of the keyway. That fit. Yep. And picks, I'm going to use this one. So from New Sparrow's kit, I have no idea what the name of this pick is, but let's zoom in. Come on, just focus on the lock. Alright, it's got a bit of light tension and feel for a binder. Alright, got a good click out of 5. Oh, that's pin 3. Pin 4. Bit of a click out of 4. That's 4 again. I think somebody just dropped. Good. I don't think you can quite see, for some reason it's not focusing on the lock. Let's see if I move this light down a bit more as well. Sorry, just going to turn this camera on. Turn this one on just when I'm doing this. Alright, that's a good solid click out of 5 then. That's 3. That's pin 1, slight turn on the core. Just working the way through, trying to. Whoop! Just clipped pin 1 again. I think. Yep, got an open. Alright. Let's zoom out. Oh, that was nice. Quick little lock, but definitely got an open, so lock that back up. Alright, move this down. Let's grab Beast. And my disassemble kit. There we go. Alright, let's get this tail piece off. Don't think I need to shim this, because that's pretty flat back. So if I turn it to there. Set that there. Let's have a look. Alright, so I am seeing some weirdness in chamber 2 there. Other than that, and I'm seeing some threading. So all of them definitely needed to be picked. Alright, let's dump these out. Let's use these back 5. Alright, so we've got threading in chambers 2, 3, and 5. And I'll just quickly move these pins around so they're the right way. Alright, now upstairs. 20X. So I remember that comes to pinning this back together. Got very nice serrated driver with the itty bitty baby spring. 2. We have a spool, little steel spring, 3, I've got another serrated itty bitty spring again. 4, sorry, I'm doing this off camera, another serrated, lucky last, have like a barrel double spool with very thin hair-like spring. And upstairs we have nothing. It looks completely stock. So in chambers 2, 3 and 5 we had serrations or threading. So we've got serrated spool, double spool, try and catch up on that. Got very finely serrated driver, which would definitely catch on them, and the spool edges, sharp edges, try and catch onto them as well. But let's have a close look at these pins. Alright, so chamber 1, we've got a just slightly serrated, very fine serrated on the top of the key pin there, and a very nicely deep serrated driver. We have a T-pin, whoop, oh shoot, we have a T-pin key pin in 2, and looks like commercial spool. The driver, chamber 3, got just like a standard key pin. Yep. And a very nice serrated, show you that. I mean, look at the serrations on that. That is nice. So very nicely serrated driver. We have standard key pin with another very nicely serrated driver, and then we've got 2 serrations. Almost looks standard like a commercial serrated key pin, and like a barrel or double spool driver there, and we've got varying springs as well. So very, very nice lock. Quite fun to pick. Let's try and get this back into the right spot. So awesome work. Rough Around the Edges by Cameron Dunn. It's number 1 first challenge lock. Oh, it's gone on 4th to 7th 18. So absolutely fantastic work, mate. Fantastic little lock. So anyway, as always, always follow the codes, keep Lock Sport legal, don't do anything stupid. Don't forget to come and check us out and join Discord. Cannot recommend it enough. It's the Extraordinary League of Pickers. And yeah, definitely come and check that out. Don't forget to come and check out our Dark Arts Instagram account. Put up photos of challenge locks that we've picked and all that background stuff, as you know. Same as with the Facebook page. Please don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate all the subscribers, so thank you very much, guys. And if you want to get in contact with me, you can email darkartslockpicking@gmail.com, and I will get back to you. And till next time, cheers, guys.